On September 2nd, 2011, a 24-year-old woman ran straight into a wall of fire in the Australian outback. Within minutes, flames consumed her. 65% of her body was burned. Doctors were not certain she would survive the night. This is the story of Turia. Turia was born in Tahiti and raised in the coastal town of Ulladulla in New South Wales. She built a career as a mining engineer. She loved running long distances. She carried an energy and warmth that drew people in instantly. Michael had known Turia since their school days. They became a couple in 2009. When she accepted a mining role in Western Australia, he left his job as a police officer to be with her. On the day of the race, he was away for work. The Racing the Planet ultramarathon stretched across the remote Kimberley region, 100 kilometers through rugged terrain and ancient landscape. Turia had prepared for months. She was strong, focused, and exactly where she wanted to be. During the race, an uncontrolled grass fire swept across the course. The runners were deep inside a narrow gorge with steep rock walls on either side. Escape routes vanished instantly. The fire moved faster than anyone could outrun. Turia ran into the flames. She was airlifted out of the Kimberley alive, but only just. Burns covered 65% of her body. Her organs began to fail. Doctors used donor skin from the United States to stabilize her condition. Survival was uncertain at every moment. Michael received the call while he was away. No one had yet explained how severe it was, but he understood. He drove straight to the hospital. When he reached intensive care and saw her, he made a decision. He stayed. While Turia lay unconscious, Michael went out and bought a diamond ring. He returned to her bedside and showed it to his father. He said that if she survived, he would marry her. His father looked at him and said, "Good on you, mate." Turia was placed into a medically induced coma for a month. She lost all the fingers on her right hand and 2 on her left. More than 200 procedures followed. Surgeries, grafts, and treatments. Through all of it, Michael was there every single day. When Turia finally woke, the first thing she saw was Michael beside her. Recovery was slow and demanding. She remained in hospital for 6 more months. Through every stage, every setback, every small step forward, he remained by her side. For 2 years, Turia wore a full-body compression suit along with a mask that covered her entire face except her eyes. It could be removed for only 1 hour each day. During that time and every day after, Michael told her she was beautiful. People often asked Michael the same question: "Why did you stay?" His answer never changed. He said he loved her for who she was. That part of her had not been touched by the fire. It was still there, completely unchanged. In 2013, she removed her compression mask on national television for the first time. The country watched closely. There was silence, then recognition. She looked into the camera, and then she smiled, the same unmistakable smile. In 2016, Turia completed the Ironman Australia Triathlon, 226 kilometers of swimming, cycling, and running. Doctors had once said she would never compete again. She went on to complete 2 Ironman World Championships in Hawaii. In July 2015, on a boat in the Maldives beneath a sky filled with stars, with a manta ray gliding beneath the surface, Michael took out the ring he had bought years earlier beside her hospital bed. He asked her to marry him. She said yes. Turia and Michael now have 2 sons. She has become a best-selling author, a speaker, and an athlete once again. She continues to run. She often reflects that the accident pushed her beyond what most people ever face. And she chose to rebuild.